This session will cover the most basic feature, the most popular and commonly used feature, discussion posts. Discussion posts are simply threaded conversations, and all that means is that there's an initial post made by a member of the community, and then nestled underneath it are all the subsequent replies. It's organized in a manner similar to something like a Gmail email, for example. Discussion posts are a great way to capitalize on the collective knowledge of your community. When you make a post to the community, it's visible to every member of the community. And so if you're looking for a resource, but you don't know who among your community might have that particular resource, that's a great opportunity to ask everyone in the community. Or, for example, if you're facing a particular legal challenge, and rather than reaching out to an individual and you want to have a diversity of viewpoints on a particular challenge, well, that's another instance where posting your question to the community makes the most sense. There are a couple of ways to post and to reply to in the communities. One easy way is at my.minbar.org. You'll see right on the homepage of the community this green add button. And then from there, you just post your question in the simple editor here, and then you can post directly. You can schedule it for later, or even save it as a draft and continue editing at a later time. That's how to post. You can also you'll see reply in email. There are a number of members who only use the community forums in email. So if you know the community's email address, you can send it to the community just by using your email as well. Now, in this case, you can see I've got the original post, and I can either reply to the group, so it's visible to the entire community, or I can reply to sender by clicking on that button, in which case the original poster will be the only one who has access to my reply. But typically, I recommend that most folks either reply to the group so that the conversation remains visible to the entire community, because one of the essential functions of the community is that you're capitalizing then on the wisdom of every member of the community.